Kyle? Oh, what will you say, Kyle? Say thank you, classmates. Oh, say you're welcome. Oh, once more, everybody, say happy birthday to Kyle.
Happy birthday, Kyle.
Thank you for your blowout.
Thank you for your blowout.
Okay, you may start eating now. Oh, sige na, kain na kayo. Children, you may eat your spaghetti.